Hello friends, this is the Cryptonian taking a look at Bitcoin. Just a quick update over the weekend here. It is Sunday, North American East Coast time. It's about 6 p.m. And Bitcoin currently 46,800, 46,900 now. We have a push to the upside with Bitcoin here. And the reason is we are above the 200 daily moving average. One thing that I wanted to share with you, my friends, is that look at this. We've had volume come in over the weekend. This is significant. It's much higher than what we've seen over the past here. And because Bitcoin has crossed over above the 200 daily moving average, generally by chart analysts, the price above 200 daily moving average is considered by chart analysts to be bullish. And when the price is below the 200 daily moving average, that is considered bearish by chart analysts. So the price is holding currently over the weekend now above the 200 daily moving average, and so the buyers, the bulls, are feeling more of a risk on attitude, and you can see that in the volume. We've had volume coming in, buying volume that has increased over the weekend for an anticipation of higher prices this week. And so this is a good sign. This shows me that the bulls, the buyers, are expecting higher prices this week and upward pressure and upward momentum in price. This is good news. Now, that being said, any break above 47,500 most likely, like I said before, this line here would most likely push us quickly to 52,000. Okay. Now, also, we need to understand that we could continue to consolidate a little bit. And I've said before in a previous video, I said I wanted to see a pullback. We did get that. It was purchased very quickly. We went right back up, tested the 47,500, rejected, came back down. Now we're pushing right back up again. So we could be breaking the 47,500, or we could be possibly coming right back down and just consolidating between the 45 and 47.5 thousand price points. That being said, it does look like most likely we will be pushing to test that 47,500, and we'll possibly be breaking that this weekend, or excuse me, this week. So there you have it, friends. Just a quick update. I just wanted to bring your attention to volume coming in, especially over the weekend. That's bullish, guys. And especially if we can hold above, excuse me, that 45,500 area, which we've been doing that, and I think we'll continue if we do not sell off tonight or tomorrow, and we're above the 45,500, 45,000, and especially this, the 30-day moving average is right here at that 45,000, 45,500 price point that I had identified as support. So it's looking good, friends. Most likely we will be seeing higher prices this week, or at least an attempt at higher prices by the bulls, and a lot of buying coming in probably. But we'll just have to wait and see. But I am confident that we will be bullish this week. Taking a look at the market, Aave up 3.5%. Again, we just had a overbought signal on the RSI, so I'm not interested in buying this one, not even with your money yet. But quite likely I'll be buying in the near future after we have some kind of a pullback. ADA, $1.19. We are pushing up. Like I said, ADA follows Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pushing up, and now ADA is pushing up as well. Up 3.1%. Looking good. So if Bitcoin continues in its bullish behavior, ADA will continue in its bullish behavior. Congratulations to those who are in ADA right now. Algorand is up 2.7%, and it looks very close to a bullish crossover on the Mesa. Still in the bear cloud, but we are in a bullish. We are seeing some bullish buying here and bullish consolidation, most likely because of Bitcoin. And Algorand is up, like I said, 2.8%. And if we do see a bullish week for Bitcoin, Algorand most likely will break out to the upside and move higher. Okay. Taking a look at API3, up 5.6%. API3 probably will have a pump here not long from now if Bitcoin remains bullish this week. API3 will probably have a big strong push to the upside. And that push to the upside probably will be pretty significant. Let's see. Probably will be testing the $6.64 area when this does take off, and that's from where we are now. This is about 20%. So that's significant. Now, that's not guaranteed. API3 is very volatile. Be very careful. This is crypto. Do your due diligence, your own research. And again, remember, this is never financial advice. I'm just sharing with you what I see on the charts and what I'm doing with my investments and etc. Taking a look at Arweave. Arweave up 4.2% today on a Sunday. Excuse me. Currently, Arweave $40.83, and Arweave is getting ready to cross over into a bullish mesa. Whoops. Let me. Sorry about that, guys. Let me go ahead and get my marker. Getting ready to cross over into a bullish mesa, and so this is important. And this shows that there's potentially a lot more upside. We are currently at resistance. Prior resistance is this prior breakdown point here. So we're right on the line of resistance. However, if we don't break it tonight or tomorrow, this week, most likely, if Bitcoin goes higher, if Bitcoin breaks 47.5, then Arweave will be breaking 41, most likely. Okay? If Bitcoin has a little pullback from the 47 down to retest the 45 again, then most likely Arweave will come down and retest 36.37. But we don't want to be too critical because the market is volatile, crypto is volatile, and so generally we want to think in terms of zones, right? In terms of zones and events on the chart that will prevent us from jumping in, jumping out, jumping in, jumping out whenever we see the price going up and going down and getting jerked around in the market. Okay, so right now between support is at $35, resistance at $41, and we're at resistance, but still Arweave does show that it is slowly changing into a bullish trend, and if Bitcoin continues, Arweave will also. Atom up almost about 4% today. Currently is at a little bit of a resistance line. Previous resistance line is here, and that previous resistance $34. It's almost it's about $32.50 right now. But again, when we think about zones, Arweave is slowly moving over into a bull cloud, so we could see a lot of price appreciation over the following weeks as long as Bitcoin behaves. Audio up 22%, crazy. Audio is really making a big weekend out of it. It was up 30-some% earlier and is still up 22%. Definitely do not want to buy this one at this time. I would personally wait for a pullback. Not investment advice, but congratulations to everyone in audio. At times like this, I'd probably take a little bit of profit. AVAX up 2.8%. Currently just inching above upward resistance on this channel here, this trading channel, and we have crossed over into a bull cloud. And generally in an uptrend, I'd like to see a pullback down to the 30-day moving average, or even down to the purple line, the mama line on the mesa, to make sure I'm getting a fair price and make sure I'm not buying a pump. I'm not interested in this one just yet because it's been going up for so long. Axie Infinity, we need to remember Axie Infinity just had $612 million hack. Is that going to affect Axie Infinity? Not really sure how it will affect it. Axie Infinity right now is up 3.3%. It doesn't seem like the market's too concerned with the hack. And if if the market's not too concerned, then Axie Infinity could be going higher. We are already crossed over into a bull cloud. All right, so we could be moving higher with Axie Infinity. Just keep your eyes on the news and see how the market reacts coming up this week as to that hack. Sometimes it takes time for the market to respond to events like that. Basic attention token BAT up 3.5%, looking good, crossed over into the bull cloud. Blocktopia is another one. Blocktopia is a little bit slower because it's gaming and it's a smaller project. It's new, but it's getting ready to move over into a bull cloud. And you see that we have a little bit of consolidation happening here. So if Bitcoin has a bullish week and is stable or moving higher, then Blocktopia will be pushing higher and getting ready to move into a bullish uptrend. BNB just breaking into a bullish uptrend here. So as you can see, a lot of these are following Bitcoin and a lot of these are transitioning into, on the daily, a new bullish uptrend. Now remember, we just don't know. There's no guarantee how long the bull trend will last. May is just around the corner, and usually, sell in May and go away in the stock market. Usually May is when a lot of selling takes place by corporate and hedge funds, larger entities, whales, and you see slowly the momentum kind of exits the market through the summer. Okay, excuse me, and then October, September, November is when everything starts coming back into the market for the next year. So we need to be careful, even though we are turning into a bull trend on many of the charts and a bull cloud on many of the charts, including Bitcoin. We need to be careful that it could be short-lived because May and the summer is right around the corner. All right, so there we have it, friends. We're back at Bitcoin. Bitcoin now above 47,000 and 47,100 approximately. Looking very good. 47,500 would be the breakout point. I'm going to keep my eyes on this. And so there you have it, friends. That's the market looking bullish. Looking forward to a bullish week coming up. The volume coming in for Bitcoin is a good sign and is an indication that we possibly could have a lot of purchasing coming in this weekend. Or excuse me, this week. And anyway, there you have it, friends. Don't want to make it too long, the video too long. Take care. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you in the next video. Remember, be careful. The market's very volatile during this time. Use proper risk management. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care, friends. Thank you for watching.